see from above. So
Wow.
plastics on
What
it.
She's
happened?
crazy.
She put it in her mouth?
She's trying. It's not a quick thing, I don't think.
Look at that mouth.
How did she do that?
Oh my. Oh!
Oh no, it's
Also
gonna.
the neck, you know.
Like, how is it gonna get through there? It's gonna get giant in there. Like, the rat has to no,
3 to 5 days.
Okay. Okay.
So we can't hold her 3 to 4.
That's crazy.
No, I think about 3 isn't it? I think it's in 2 to 3. We'll look it up again.
That's crazy.
But yeah, we're not going to take
How
her
the
out
heck do you
for a
get that
couple
big
days.
mouth in?
It takes her a while.
How did she even do
No,
that?
I think this might take her.
How is she
about
breaking
20
her
minutes. I
jaw?
don't know.
That's crazy.
Oh, she moved her like a if she had a whisk. Oh, she's pulling it.
Pulling that thing.
Well, I think she's pulling it so she can move her head, like, down.
How's that
Dude,
gonna
it's
even
big.
go through her?
Like, what about the back?
How's that gonna go through her neck?
Well, I guess it
She's
goes
gonna have to
places.
bigotirize. Or the
Look at
mat's
that
gonna have
big
to
mouth. Like,
miniaturize.
how the heck is she? Their whole body gonna get expanded just to fit that thing in there.
It's gonna go all the
Well,
way.
Part of her body is fine, but the neck is what I'm. Obviously, the mouth and neck.
Yeah,
I
the
mean, her
neck
neck's
is the smallest
about that
part.
big
And look,
around.
her face got bigger.
That's true, it did.
Well, she's breaking her jaw. Oh,
But,
yeah.
I mean, her neck's.
Her face is
maybe-
getting
I
bigger.
don't think it's this big around. I think it's like one of my fingers.
Guys, I think her face is getting bigger because she's eating.
We might see blood. So, Mama, don't be scared.
Okay.
Well, we might not have time to watch this whole show.
No, I want
Bring
to.
Ice cream up here.
Yeah, that's
You can
not ice
bring
cream.
it If you want.
The Spots is
Bring their other
just
thing,
Spot.
too.
It's her.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
Spots ice cream, guys.
That's fine.
Levi. Or
What?
Isaac, what kind of ice cream do you want?
The
The root beer?
root beer with vanilla.
I want both.
Okay, hold on, Levi. Hold on, Mama. Levi, we have. Listen to me, Levi. We have a root beer kind.
Oh,
I said I want both.
Both of what?
her whole head's already gone.
Levi, both of what?
Let me see.
Oh, oh wow. Oh. You could look at her. Look over here.
hard.
You look, it's expanding.
Yeah, you can see that neck stretching now.
Ow, you
I mean,
got.
now she looks scary and big.
I want the two that aren't root beer.
Mm-hmm.
Half and half.
Oh.
Levi, we have a root beer kind.
This
root
Yeah, I
is
beer
want that.
weird.
Just that?
No, not just that.
Well, it's not going to
Root
go
beer
well
and
with
the
the
other-
other kind.
And the Rocky Road.
That's not going to go well together.
What?
A root beer float with Rocky Road, you want that?
Wait, is it really gonna be a root beer float?
No, but
No,
it's
I'll
root beer
just-
float ice cream.
I'll just put a little. Figure it out.
Well, I
Okay,
want
well,
both.
give me the salted caramel on Rocky Road.
I just want.
I don't want root beer.
I want root beer.
Isaac just wants root beer. Levi wants root beer on Rocky Road.
But how?
Oh, she's taking it to another level. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, Dada, look at this. She's carrying it. Oh my!
Isaac, focus. Like how is she water, how is she getting her head bigger? Literally, like the biggest part of her that's like getting bigger is like this. Her cheeks, like, like it looks like she has a giant brain.
Yeah, she does not have a giant brain.
Yeah, but it looks.
Wait
like
till
that.
it goes in her whole body.
Literally, that's crazy. How come I don't see it big in there?
4 minutes. How did she grabbed it? How did that scare you a little bit?
Yeah.
She grabbed it.
Yeah, I was fine now. Oh wow, it even looks weird not on camera.
Yeah, it looks like she's a frog, kinda.
We know she's a meat eater.
Yeah, but is she a vegetarian? I can't say.
I think, Dada, she was very hungry. How is that gonna go down her?
How is she doing that?
That's not gonna. She's not. How is that gonna go down?
That's impossible.
Look
Literally.
at that stretch.
How does she make her mouth get that? Like, does she break her jaw?
Her jaw's not like
Oh, that looks weird. She's already halfway.
She's hiding herself.
Yeah,
She's like,
maybe she doesn't like the audience.
Or maybe it kind of helps her eat.
She's using manners.
Or maybe
Yeah, her body, you know.
Or maybe she's just trying
she's
to.
using this part of her body to hold it so she.
Yeah,
can
so
on
it doesn't move.
Maybe.
But she's probably not really using me.
disgusting.
Yeah, it looks.
She's holding a rat.
I'll just leave. Let's see.
That's her stool.
Ew. Her neck's getting No, it's not that bad. Oh, she's already at the first feet. Isn't that big? Oh, she's not even halfway there. Actually.
Yeah, it takes a while.
6 minutes. Oh, she's carrying it. Oh, she's doing that method again.
I want to see.
She's doing that method
Wow,
again.
Levi.
How is she doing that? She's giant.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Is that better?
But Spots might think it's daytime. Spots. But then how is she going to get her head under her...
No, she can do it.
Or maybe she doesn't like the audience and she's trying to eat it, but like make it so it doesn't move.
Oh, she's already halfway.
More than halfway, more like to me. Oh, probably not, because it's still in her. But yeah, it's more than halfway in her. I'll see the video later.
Oh, I see it. I see it coming in. Oh, that's huge. Mama better hurry.
I'll be right back, okay?
Okay. What do you need? Oh. Oh, she's already halfway. Alexa, make an announcement.
What's the announcement?
Come, hurry! She's almost done. Hurry!
Announcing.
Hurry! Yes. But it looks better live.
Let's see.
She's almost at the tail.
Well, I figured at some point she would speed up. Oh my goodness. Look at that stretchy neck.
Already 9 minutes of eating that. Takes her a while.
Well, it takes us longer than 10 minutes to eat dinner.
Sometimes for me it takes me like a minute.
Not for the whole dinner.
No, but sometimes at nachos it might take me 5, Levi, 8. Oh, that's humongous. Oh, I thought her neck was tiny.
It usually is.
Yeah, it's extra large.
It's extra stretchy.
Let me get a cup of latte with an extra large on it. Here's a cup of snake. Of a rat.
I remember we can't get her out for a couple days.
3.
Yeah. Since today's Sunday.
I don't think I'm gonna be taking her out. Also, I don't want to be taking her out just in case she goes potty on me. So I just want to leave her in there all the...
I don't know.
Oh, she's at her tail. Almost. Oh, this is gonna look cool when it just slides down in her. That would be cool to watch when it just slides down.
Yeah, I don't know how long that takes.
Oh, she's almost at the tail. Oh. I didn't think her... I thought her mouth would get bigger than that. Than I expected.
Look at her neck like bunching up and it's trying to squeeze it on down and pull it.
Yeah. It's amazing. Wait till she gets to the tail. Hope she doesn't eat hers.
No, I don't think she'll do that one.
Oh no.
Why?
Look at the how would you call that? The tail? The
Well, that's
Foot.
The foot. That's the foot right there.
12 minutes already?
Oh my goodness, look at that. She's showing it to us. Hey, Isaac. It's like, thanks for dinner.
Oh my, look at how big that is.
Yeah.
Look at how big this is.
Delivering ice cream. That's for Isaac. This is for
Sorry,
you.
I kind of want to hold
This
this.
is mine.
I want to hold it till she's done. Oh, she's
I wanna
getting all
Take
of
a
it.
look, Levi. She's almost done.
She's eating the rat, but like she's still big on. How is Spots a grown up?
She's actually 0.
She's like a teenager.
Oh, there she is.
Her head looks so big.
Look at her neck right here.
Yeah, I know. She's she's bigger try.
Her skin. Oh. That looked look at her belly.
Let me see.
Ugh.
What's so bad about that?
It looks weird.
Well, doesn't it look just like it does in her?
No, that does not look right.
Well, in the thick part of it.
Oh, I can see blood in there. Oh, that's humongous. Oh, show us your teeth.
Mama, she's really showing off good now. You can get up there quick.
Oh, wow.
Oh no.
I wonder if holding it
Finally, her head looks better.
Look at that mouth.
Or her behind her neck.
Oh, she has a
Part.
tongue.
Nice footage there, Isaac.
Yeah. I can get her whole mouth in there.
He has a tongue.
Oh, look how buff up she is.
Yeah, she's a big buff girl.
Smile for the camera.
You're wrong, Dada. It tastes great.
Okay, good.
Oh,
look at, she's already pushed it quite a ways.
It looks like she still has something in her mouth. Oh,
Her tongue.
open up.
The tail.
Oh.
Like she's gagging.
Yeah. Mama, look it.
She's like, I wonder if she's getting up, like it might help it get down or something because she's really posing.
Look at. Oh, that's how far it
Oh my
already
gosh, it's
went.
in there.
Yeah.
She really pushed it. Once she got
That's
it in,
enough.
she pushed it pretty
Pause.
far.
I mean, finish.
I mean, I can't believe it like this that because like she's not that.
We gotta show Mama some of the footage because yeah, I'm surprised it goes down her neck that fast.
Well, and then it said that there's still that stink.
Yeah, it's crazy.
She doesn't want us to see it. She's like blocking it.
Guys, tell me next time to not watch you
Okay.
do this.
I think it's still in her mouth.
Maybe the tail.
I saw blood
She's
in her
flicking
mouth.
tongue already. She's already like. Now remember, we're not taking her out for a few days.
3. Actually, I just want to leave her in there.
Yeah, she'll get out of there in a minute. She's already trying to.
I wonder where the rat went.
Yeah, I know. It really pushed it down. Well, look, you can see she's pretty fat.
Oh yeah, right
Right there,
here.
that's fatter than
Oh, maybe that's a good idea that she's doing to make it go down. Maybe she's thirsty.
She's like, let me wash that down.
Yeah.
Get that down.
Oh no, maybe she shouldn't go through the rings. That's a good idea.
She knows she'll be fine. You want to stop the camera now?
I want to see what she's gonna. Yeah.